Right, we're going to look at some percentage increase and decrease, sort of worded type questions, right? And I'm going to do this using multipliers because ultimately I think it's you've got less chance of messing up or making silly mistakes, or however you want to put it, really. So it says I get paid £8.40 per hour, but I'm due a pay rise of 3%. Will be my hourly rate after the rise. Okay, so I take my original amount, which is £8.40, and I need to convert, and so it's got a pay rise means it's going to be an increase, so it's going to be 3% added onto 100%, which is 103%. So if I write 103% of the original, that helps me a little bit to write down that it's 1.03 as a decimal. Now, I don't know what that is off the top of my head, so let's have a look. £8.40 times 1.03 gives me 8. Right, now it gives me 8.652. Now, I'm working with money, so £8.65 is what it would round to. Now, the second one, a Coke costs £110. It is in a sale with 25% off. What is the cost of the coat in the sale? So, because it's 25% off, that means it's a reduction. So it's 100% take away 25%, which means it's 75% of the original. So therefore, I'm going to be doing 110 times 0.75, which again I'm going to do on my calculator, although that's a little bit easier to work out, to be honest. And I'm going to get £82. Now it says 82.5, but because we're working with money, £82.50. So these are two fairly typical questions, you know, a pay rise and something reduced in a sale, but just read them really carefully. I would do it, I mean, you could on the first one find 3% and add it on. You could on the second one find 25% and take it off, but people often make mistakes, silly calculation errors like that. So I find the multiplier method a lot easier and a lot less likely to make mistakes.